His Excellency Ambassador of China to Pakistan, Mr. Yao, my colleagues from Foreign Office, Chinese Embassy, National Disaster Management Authority, distinguished guests, media personnel, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Pakistan-China's friendship has been talked about in different realm, that it is deeper than the ocean, sweeter than the honey, and higher than the mountains. But in last 4 months, I have seen a different meaning of this friendship. And that meaning occurred to me once my brother, Mr. Yao, used to come to me. And the meaning came in the shape of reading my emotions, reading my eyes, reading my expression, and then telling me that this is what I need and I'm sending you that. Gentlemen, let me tell you that in last 4 months, we, and once I say we, myself and Ambassador Yao, had umpteenth number of meetings. And every time I requested him a meeting at his office, he was present in my office. Sir, I'm really indebted to your efforts for helping Pakistan fighting COVID-19. As everybody is aware that today we have already crossed over the peak. Now we're in the process of consolidating our gains against the COVID. This tranche, which has come today, is going to be formally a last tranche coming from our friends, from our brothers from China. But let me tell you, the number which has been huge, which has been donated by Chinese brother to us, include 441 ventilators, all types, and that does not include today's 1,000 BiPAPs, for which we are here today. Almost 1,53,000 testing kits, more than 0.5 million N95 masks, 4.5 million surgical masks, almost 125,000 protective clothings, and medicines, almost 100,000 units of all types. Let me also tell you that Chinese cooperation with us did not only take to COVID-19. It has been extended in the form of pesticides and in the form of spraying equipment for locusts, which has gone in a long way in combating locusts too. And let me share a good news to you all that today, like COVID, we have stabilized our situation as far as locust is concerned. Just to let you know the quantum of aid which we have received from our brothers from China includes 300,000 liters of malathion, and now we are expecting another 200,000 malathion by 31st of August. Similarly, Lambda ULV is expected 100,000 by 31st of August. We have already got 50 spraying units, which were direly needed, and at that time we had only 14 of them in the entire country. We got 50, and today I am told that today's tranche carries 17 drones also. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that during our interaction, Ambassador has been able to read my eyes, see my anguish, see my sadness, and see what I need. And at no point of time, I had to ask him to provide us this. I'm personally indebted to him, and I take this opportunity to thank people of China, government of China, and Chinese embassy for doing all this which is done by a unique friend. And that has given a new meaning of friendship to me. Sir, on the behalf of NDMA, Government of Pakistan, and also people of Pakistan, I thank you, and we would be looking forward to cement our relationship in future. So thanks a lot, and once again, my prayers and my thanks to people of China. Thank you very much.